So, hi, welcome everybody. Hi, this is Rich Wall Street Williams here, man. I'm super excited for we're doing round two of the From Zero to Hero in Real Estate 5-Day Success Challenge starting December 4th at 10 a.m. And man, listen, this is really exciting to me because over the past 17 or 18 years, I've had the distinct honor and pleasure of working with over 15,000 people. I've helped small business owner, entrepreneurs, and sales professionals amass more than $153 million. And I'm particularly interested or passionate about helping real estate agents succeed. My particular area of focus is real estate agents with 5 years or less in real estate. Now, anyone could benefit from our training. But next week, Monday through Friday, Monday at 10 a.m., Tuesday at 10 a.m., Wednesday at 10 a.m., on Thursday at 10 a.m., and Friday at 10 a.m., our focus is working in your business. Now, let me explain that. There's two ways that we can work in our business. One way is we can work on our business, and working on our business is the strategy. So working on our business is, the mission statement, the value statement, what are our goals, and the processes of our business. Working in our business is the day-to-day grind, the day-to-day hustle, the day-to-day work of your business. That's the phone call. That's the lead generation. That's going on listing appointment. That's working with buyers. That's working in your business. Next week is all about that. So if you're in real estate and you have 5 years or less, or if you're experienced and you want to pick up a few tips and pointers and best practices, you're welcome to join us. It's absolutely free. And let me just show you what we got going on. And as you can see right here, we got the counter going on. And this thing is counting down. There's 5 days, 39 minutes, and 13 seconds. Until we do it. It's a free challenge. So right here, when you get the link, I'm going to post a link on my Facebook. So you can go to Momentum 100. You can get the link, or you can go to Rich Wall Street Williams on our business Facebook page, and you can get the link as well. Or you can on Instagram, officially Rich Williams on Instagram, and you can get the information there as well. This is the challenge. You click here, and this will take you to where you can register for the challenge. Here you'll see a little bit of information about why we do what we do. I was doing some real estate training about 12 years ago, and I read a survey by the National Association of Realtors and the National Association of Months. And it really hit me because I remember the days when I started out in real estate. I got my real estate license in 2002. And I do remember the challenge. I was fortunate enough that I understood the hustle, the grind, that I understood that there was a relationship between the number of doors that I knocked on in the business that I got. And so my first year in real estate, I was number 55. It was 55 agents in the office. I was number 55. At the end of the first year, I was in the top 5. I got there not because I had sales strategy, et cetera, because I understood the hustle. So I didn't fail and I kept that mindset. But not a lot of agents have that acumen coming into the business. So subsequently, after about 12 months, or after 3 years, they're still making just above minimum wage. They quit. And so my passion, my desire is you don't have to quit because it's easy to succeed in real estate. Yes, let me say that again, friend. It is easy to succeed in real estate. It's hard to fail. And so I'm passionate about helping real estate agents become CABs, C-A-B. You get credibility, which means you operate with confidence. You have authority. You know your worth in the marketplace. And the benefit, you serve more than you sell for financial increase. You serve more, friend, than you sell for financial increase. So here's what we'll be covering. Day 1, mastering the blueprint for unveiling the 4 laws of lead generation. That was one of the things I discovered in real estate early on, is that there's a direct correlation between the number of names in my database and the number of transactions. There's a direct correlation between the number of names in our database and the number of transactions. So I'll show you how to build that database. So your database, for every 100 names, should be giving you 2 referrals, 2 leads for every 100 names. So if I want to do 24 transactions in 2024, based upon this principle, how many names do I need to have in my database? This is a little math test. You're right, 1,200. Every 100 names, 2 deals. Every 100 names, 2 deals, right? But I'll show you how to systematically set up your database, how to have a saturated approach with your database, right? Then we're going to day 2. Day 2 is how to elevate your brand, unleashing marketing mastery for unprecedented success. I'll show you how to saturate social media the first 90 days. I want you to pretend that Monday, December the 4th, that you're relaunching your business. I want you to pretend on Monday, December the 4th, that it's your first day in real estate. And we are going to walk together, friend, Monday through Friday on how to build, how to scale up to do business. I can promise you this: in 90 days, you're going to see more transaction in the next 90 days than you did in the previous 90 days. Guarantee it, if you follow the principles that we're sharing. And so we'll go through marketing mastery, Facebook, Instagram, how to be online centric, excuse me, how to have buyers flocking to your listing. I even show you how to generate leads on Facebook for free. How to generate leads on Facebook for free. Day 3, closing the deal. Strategies for overcoming objections with confidence and finesse, right? So imagine if you knew how to handle any objection. Now, there are primarily 6 objections that you get in real estate when working with sellers, right? And there's probably about 4 common objections that you get hit with when working with buyers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you one technique, maybe 2, but at least one technique that is a surefire way to overcome any objection. And we'll talk about how to talk smart, how to have winning conversations when you're in a selling situation. We're going to do that on day 3. And then on day 4, friend, we're going to craft a comprehensive guide to the 4-step listing presentation process. I love sellers. As a matter of fact, my area of success has been for sale by owners and expired listing. That happens to be my area of success. But I'm going to show you how to do a 4-step listing presentation. This 4-step listing presentation is designed to do 2-3 things. Number 1, it'll save you time. Number 2, you'll close or you get more signatures on the listing appointment, so your success rate will go up. And number 3, you'll start outperforming your competition. And that's the 4-step listing presentation process. And then finally on day 5, we're going to talk about unlocking real estate. What are some of the trends and technology and tools that we can consider in 2024? There's a pending lawsuit with the National Association of Realtors, right? I mean, this isn't new news that I'm sharing. This is something that's out there and everyone across the nation is watching. Could be anywhere between a $1.8 billion lawsuit to $5 billion against the National Association of Realtors. What does that mean for us? How can we prepare for it? Well, in my estimation, there are at least 10 things that you and I can do to prepare for the shift that could change the real estate industry forever. Let's not wait till the change happens. Let's be prepared. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. So I want you to join us as we go through the training. 5 days is absolutely free. Now, for those that want to participate in some one-on-one coaching afterwards, so I will invite you to Backstage Pass. If you're interested in the Backstage Pass for at least 60 minutes after we end the Zoom call, I'll stay on to answer any questions for at least an hour that you may have. So if you're the only one with Backstage Pass, and it's me and you one-on-one coaching for 60 minutes, and guess what? I normally charge $350 an hour, but because I want to help you succeed, we're doing it for $17. And basically $17 is the cost to cover the broadcast for that event 5 days next week. $17 that gives you 5 hours potentially a one-on-one answer. Now listen, I'm a guy that have been in and around real estate. I've been doing real estate and business development since 2002. So I'm not a novice at this. I've been doing this for 21 years. I've helped brokers, sales professionals, entrepreneurs amass more than $153 million in real estate. And I want to help you take your business to the next level. And that's it. I forgot to mention that part of what we're doing is because I'm going to encourage you to take advantage of this free offer. I have an ebook called The ABCs of Creating a Facebook Page. It's a course, actually. It's $197. And I have another course on the ABCs of getting a physical listing. When I work with for sale by owners, I have an 85% success rate of setting that appointment. 85% success rate of setting that appointment. And so that's $197 value. I'm giving that course away for free. And then also you have access to an exclusive private Facebook page just for realtors that you get an invitation to. So that's $384 for free. So what's your next step? Your step is yes, sign me up today for free. So what are you waiting for? Understand this, friend, that the ground that you gain today, you will never lose. And the ground that you lose today, you will never gain. So I'm hoping to see you Monday, December the 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 days a week. You got to plug in all 5 days. I got the free gifts I want to give away to you. The VIP pass for Backstage, $17, starting next week. And then you have a manual, a book a free book that you can download, have for your notes to follow through the process next week. So that's it, man. That's what we're doing. We got all this put together for you, including the coaching. That's a $594 value. The ground that you gain today, you'll never lose. The ground that you lose today, you will never gain. So let's get it Monday, December the 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you. Let's get it.